REKR stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So Rekor Systems just actually delivered like crazy like this last Friday, last trading day. We only have 2 more trading days of this year, so that's that. Say your goodbyes. We have a next earnings report in 2 months, but overall, like year-to-date report is not the best. I mean, yes, last week has been phenomenal, but like year-to-date is like 60% down. So because I'm looking at it from a day/2 swing trade perspective, doesn't even quite matter because I'm not even like bullish like that towards the bullish side. I mean, I'm not trying to even be like arrogant or bad here with this thing. It's just purely the reality. Like I've seen this happen thousands of times and I'm not even exaggerating. REKR stock is just, I mean, if I see a double break, then I will be short, but I'm just open to this idea. I really need more candles to actually determine whether I'm going to trade this or not. So I'm going to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.